Welcome to WhatsBotAI. To register, simply click on the dedicated button in the top right corner. Log in using your Google account. Choose the account you want to use. You've reached your dashboard. Navigate to the WhatsApp section through the left sidebar. Add your WhatsApp account through the button at the top. If you are using an Android phone, open WhatsApp Business and follow these steps. Click on the three dots in the top right corner. Select Connected Devices. Connect your device. Use your phone's camera to scan the QR code. Give a name to this connection, then save. Your account has been linked. If you are using an Apple iOS phone, open WhatsApp Business and follow these steps. Go to Settings. Choose Connected Devices. Connect your device. Use your phone's camera to scan the QR code. Give a name to this connection, then save. Your account has been linked. Once you've added your WhatsApp account, you'll find yourself on the Accounts page. To start using our services, go to the WhatsApp section through the left side menu. On this page, you'll find a report of your account usage, and on the sidebar, you'll see a list of services to use. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and activate the bell to receive new updates.